Imagine yourself in this Hyundai 2017 Sonata Hybrid say. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: rear bumper applique, beige premium cloth seating surfaces, carpeted floor mats, cargo and ET included, cargo net for trunk, cosmopolitan red, front-wheel drive, power steering, ABS and 4-wheel disc brakes. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.